Bonbon! Good morning, my dudes, ladies and gents, boys and girls, people, hello. Sorry it's early. This morning is a very exciting morning. It is currently 4:22 a.m. We're gonna go grab the Sexy Beast motorbike and we're gonna take it to the lookout to watch the sunrise over Mount Bromo. Let's go. There she is. Ready, baby? Well, we almost bailed once, but we made it here alive. Now we got to do a bit of a hike. But look at this view already. That's Bromo. All right. Now just a quick, short hike. Up a boatload of steps, and we'll be there. Woo. Holy shit. And we got the entire place to ourselves. Thanks, COVID. Look at this. Woo. I think this might be it.
What do you mean?
This might be the nicest view I've ever seen. I didn't really pay it much attention, but realizing that we are literally the only people at this lookout point, I would probably say this is a once in a lifetime experience.
Definitely, especially here.
I don't know that, I mean, yeah, apparently these 3 lookouts are just packed to the brim, or were pre-COVID, I should say. So hey, get on a plane and get your ass out here as soon as possible. Because it is quiet and it's hard to put into words how amazing it is. Well, as much as we would like to stay up here forever, we do have to make our way back down. We've got some more epic adventures to have today, like taking our sick bike to there. And also Felicia has to poop.
Hey, it's you. It's actually Rogan.
All right, well, another quick trip done without dying. The hardest part's coming up. So we gotta make sure we fuel up with some delicious local warung
Nasi goreng.
before we hit the sand, because it's about to get crazy.
I don't know what to say.
Okay, this is shaping up to be possibly one of the coolest days ever. But now, we've parked up the bike, and as I said earlier, we're gonna hike up this big bad boy right here.
Look, you can see the stairs up there. They actually built the stairs for it.
Amazing. Literally about to go to a crater of a volcano. I think this is the first crater I've ever been to.
Oh,
like
really?
proper one that's
Nice.
steaming and smoking.
Well, there you go. Perfect opportunity to do it here.
Woo! That was quite the mish. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but we made it. Look at this. Dude, it's so loud. This is incredible. Okay, now the difficult choice to be made. To fly or not to fly the drone. It's a bit windy. I don't know, what would you guys do? Would you risk it for the biscuit? Maybe lose your drone? Or do you play it safe? Who am I kidding, man? We did not come all this way to play it safe. Woo! That may have been the fastest my heart's ever beaten while flying that drone. I almost talked myself out of it, but then I reminded myself why the hell I actually bought the thing. But the wind picked up. Some pretty dark clouds rolling in now. But the little fella held up. What do you think, babe?
Amazing.
Yeah?
It's so cool. It's such a cool experience to have like almost all of these to ourselves.
Anyways, now we're about to make our way down and really take this bike for a rip. What's that area called?
Pasir Berbisik.
Pasir Berbise?
Pasir Berbisik. Pasir Berbisik.
That place. We're going there because it's all sand and we're gonna rip this trail bike, man. FYI.
Pasir Berbisik means whispering sand.
Okay, so I just met these local guys. They're from the village we're staying at. What's your name?
Yes, Hanky.
Hanky?
Hanky. Arwin.
Erwin. These
Yes.
guys are absolutely
Very good.
batshit crazy, and I love it.
Yes.
So we're gonna do some.
Yes, yes,
They're gonna do some donuts. I do not have the balls to do donuts,
Good.
so we're gonna do some wheelies and some donuts.
I really gulu. I gulu.
Bagus, bagus,
Api,
bagus.
api.
All right, so we're about to head back. This was so cool. The fog is rolling in real heavy. It was clear as day when we got here, and now you literally can't see anything. So I'm not going to give you a long-winded speech, but this is where the Tengir. Okay, so basically the Tengir are the local people who actually are from the town we're staying in, basically. Felicia's compared them kind of like Sherpas, essentially. They live up in the mountains, and basically they're a Hindu, and so Bromo is like a god, essentially. And so they have all these really cool little Hindu temples. They had one like literally right up the top, or just at the base of Bromo, which is really cool. So yeah, all these people got a pretty badass history, and they're also absolutely just so used to these sands. I'm here on like a super nice bike going like 10 kilometers an hour, and they're ripping at like 60 on a street bike.
Yeah.
I couldn't convince Felicia to actually take the bike for a rip.
No.
She didn't have the cojones to do it.
No, not this time. Maybe next.
a day.
Look at your legs though, man.
My socks are full too though. Was that a lot?
Look at those toes.
All right, this is also one of the best things about Indonesia. We just got back, sitting on the deck, I'm having a beer, and our old mate from yesterday has driven up on his bike because he remembered, and he's brought us some meatball noodle soup. Got the broth in the middle, tofu and meatballs all around the side. Makasih. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Literally the best. It would probably cost what, $2?
Probably.
Indonesia's the best, man. All right, well, with a full belly and a beer beside me here, I think this is where we end the video. What an absolute crazy day, man. Probably one of the more fun days I've had in years. And I don't know if you guys took anything away from this video. I hope that it's come visit Java.
Yeah, man.
Get out there and don't do tour groups. Don't do that. If you got the cojones, just rent a bike and figure it out. It's the best way. It's the best way.
I would absolutely recommend. I've always done it with a tour, and this is the best experience.
You're not limited by time frames and having to be here at this time and leave here at this time. Today we just got to take our time, stay in places as long as we wanted, and obviously it's super fun to ride your own motorbike. So if it's for you, highly would recommend. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.